Hi, welcome to the Homewares show. So this is our biggest ever homeware show with the largest selection of exhibitors, and we're really pleased to say we've had the highest amount of visitors ever attend our INDX Homewares show.
We're one of the leading bedding, cushion, throw and towel suppliers in the UK. This is actually the first time we've been exhibiting at the INDX show, and it's been spectacular.
Hi there, I'm Charlotte and this is Gemma, and together we're the Style Sisters.
We're so excited to be here at INDX Homewares today, launching our linen collection with Turner Bianca.
Hello, my name's Donna. This is the La Pavoni stand. This is our specialist espresso coffee machines and grinder, and we're here at the INDX show to engage with new customers for the second year in a row.
We're here at the AIS show for the first time, exhibiting our range of kitchen textiles, mugs and gifts. Really enjoyed meeting lots of different independent businesses at the show.
Hello, having a wonderful time at INDX Homewares, throwing shapes. Just my range over there, the word range.
We're here to present the Henry Wag brand to a new audience of department stores and garden centres, non-pet specific. Just interested to see what the feedback is from those markets, which we haven't approached before, but it's a nice first step along that journey.
I'm Amanda from Happy Pets, and we're at the INDX show today to engage with a new customer base that we've not supplied to before.